people. As you can see, I just got up out of the shower, and in order for me to get into that good energy, that good feeling that I've been trying to keep, I said let me just get on here and do a quick morning routine and an updated skincare routine. I am missing a few things, but it doesn't really matter because I still got to do this every single day when I wake up. So yes, I'm gonna show you how I do my morning routine. So right now I just got out of the shower. I didn't do anything spectacular. I just oiled my skin, put on some shorts and a tank top, and now I'm about to just brush my teeth really fast. So I don't know if I might fast forward or just, because this is really just the boring stuff. But right now I'm about to just brush my teeth and all that good stuff, so I can do my teeth whitening and stuff. Okay, so I just finished brushing my teeth. You know, we gotta do a Listerine real quick. Woo! And now I'm just gonna take my spin brush. Woo! You know that nice fresh tingly feeling after using my mouthwash. Okay, so now I'm about to take my spin brush and just wash my face real quick. So I guess this will be a morning routine slash, yeah, updated skincare routine. Even though I like to use my, if you watch my video from before when I first did my skincare routine a long time ago, that I never did an update on, I was using the tea tree oil soap, and that was fire for my skin. When I get another one, I'll show you guys, just in case you didn't watch my last video. But today, I'm trying to think about what I really have to do. I have to go to the tax office to drop my papers off because I didn't do it yesterday because there was no parking over there, and I was not about to just leave my car outside and go upstairs and talk for who knows how long, and then, you know. So today I gotta go drop my tax papers off. I'm gonna probably go to physical therapy really fast because it's only like 45 minutes. And then come back home. I basically did everything that I had to do during the week last week. So I don't really have any plans today, but maybe I might just vlog because I really need to get my office together. But I'm about to rinse this off with some cool water. And pat my face down. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with some hyaluronic acid ultra moisturizing replenishing face scrub. I think I got this, I think they sell it at what's it called, what's that, TJ, not TJ Maxx, Marshalls. I think Marshalls sell this. You can get this from Marshalls. I just got those beads in it real fast just so I can exfoliate my face. I'll just take a little bit. Just go like this. And all the products that I'm using basically have all the same ingredients. That's another thing. I notice people just be mixing whatever together. And the ingredients don't even be the same. But yeah, I'm about to just scrub my face real fast. And that's why they be bringing out, because one thing don't go with another. And this all had the same 2-3 ingredients: hyaluronic acid, water. But yeah, now I'm about to just rinse this off. And now that that's all rinsed off, just dry my face one more time. Ooh. What I need to work on is something for these bags because of my crappy ass sleeping schedule. But they're not that bad, I can't lie. I've seen females with worse. But hold on, let me make sure that my face is really dry, because for this next step I need my face to be dry. Okay, so I dried my face real fast. So now I'm about to go in with this black peel off mask, bamboo charcoal peel off mask, deep cleansing for all skin types. I believe you could find this on Amazon. If I do have the link, I will leave it down below. It came with this, the tool that you use to apply it, and it also came with some hyaluronic acid face serum that you put on after you apply this, which is just supposed to be like help shrink your pores, plump your skin, and it's a moisturizing serum. So yeah, now that my face is dry, we're just gonna use this, and I just put it basically right here on my nose and under my eyes, but y'all gonna see that. So I'm gonna just use the tool that it came with, and this is how it looks. You want to make sure that you apply it thick and even, so when you pulling it off, it could just come off. Now this you don't want to do all the time. I don't do it all the time. Maybe like once a week or once every 2 weeks, because I don't like that raw feeling that it gives my skin. But I definitely do think that it helps when it comes to removing those little, like, you know, whiteheads, blackheads, whatever the case may be. So yeah, now you just gotta wait 20 to 25 minutes while this dries. I'm gonna wash the tool off really fast. And that's why I wanted to make sure that my face was really dry, because in order for this to stick and peel off properly, you need your face to be dry. So I'm gonna just wash the tool off. I'm gonna let this dry on my face. And since that takes 20 to 25 minutes for this to dry before I have to like actually take it off and stuff, I believe the teeth whitening process that I do is only 10. This too close under my eyes. I believe the the teeth whitening process that I do only 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna do that while this is drying to kill some time. And I believe they also sell these on Amazon as well. You can get this right off Amazon. I'll leave a link down below. So I'm basically just gonna set this up real quick. I'm just gonna put the mouth guard onto the device, and I just rinsed it off, and I wash it after every time I use it and put it back in the box. So yeah, so this is how it's gonna look. And then you get your jelly, or whatever they call this stuff, teeth whitening gel, and you just place it into the tray. And yeah, so now that I squeezed all of the stuff that I need to out into the tray, I'm gonna just place it into my mouth and click the button, and it'll probably be like 10 to 15 minutes like I said, and then I'll come back because this will probably be a little bit more dry. Probably not all the way dry because I did put a good amount, but yeah. Oh, when you start to feel it pulling, when you do that, you know it's dry. When your face feel like it's about to crack, I don't know how people do this over their whole face, because this alone hurts. But okay, I'm starting to feel more up, more alive. What time is it now? It's 8:16, March 1st. Yeah, so teeth are whitened. I'm about to just brush my teeth again real quick because of the I want to get that gel off my teeth 100%, and then when this is completely dry, I'll come back and then I'll moisturize my face with you guys. Gotta blow some of these niggas. Alright, so when my face dry, I'm gonna come back. Okay. So it's 8:25. My face should basically be dry right now. To be honest, I started to like try and peel this. I really need to moisturize my skin. I hate leaving my face dry for so long, but we about to peel this. Oh, peel this off. Oh, oh, you see how? Oh, my skin. Oh, just put my whole face. Every time I do this to myself, I feel the same way every time I do this. Ooh, I hate when people be like, oh, it gets better. Oh, no, it don't. Oh, I ain't pussy. Oh, Lord, I'm about to start tearing. Oh, I gotta rip this shit up. Oh, I just gotta rip it. You just gotta rip it. Oh. That brand new skin under there. Oh, one day I'm gonna do this to my whole face, but not today. Not today. Oh, that part wasn't that bad. Oh, oh, I can't be the only one that do some shit and be like, why did I do this to myself? Oh, you just gotta take it like a man and rip that shit off. That part wasn't all the way dry yet. It's alright. Oh! Oh, bitch. Oh my god, y'all. Oh, okay. At least my face looks good now. I'm gonna get these little pieces off. I'm gonna wash the rest of this stuff off my face because look at it. It's only little pieces and that stuff is still wet. But it got basically what I needed it to get done. It's basically my nose that really be the problem area. So yeah. I'm about to rinse this off my face and come back when it's time to moisturize. Okay, so I just dried my face. Now it's time to moisturize. That's how you know when Mother Nature is coming, because it's like as soon as I get my skin clear, another pimple fit, like she wants to come in. But so I'm gonna go in with that hyaluronic acid that came in the box with the face mask. Hyaluronic acid serum. It has a dropper on it, so you really only need like, I'd say 3 drops, one on your forehead and 2 on your cheeks. Ooh. You don't need that much. It feels kind of like watery on the skin. Watery, but after it dries, it feels real. Like, how do I explain it? I don't know how to explain it. But not too shiny. You can use that by itself. I know on the box it says you could use it as a daily moisturizer if you wanted, but because my skin is dry right now because of the weather, I'm gonna go in with some Vaseline and some Nivea cream. Not too much, but just on top so I can make sure that my face is moisturized. And I like to use the Vaseline, the baby one, of course. Just a little tiny bit, nothing too much, but just so that my face don't feel like it's gonna get dry quick or just eat up that serum. So now the Nivea cream, just a little bit. I just started, I'm not gonna say I just started using Nivea. I was using Nivea off and on, but I realized that it does help me a lot with my face, because you know Nivea got the lotion, the 24-hour moisture lotion. They got the one that comes in like a little tin. I think that's the cream as well. And then they got the jar of cream. I got almost every Nivea you could think of. I got the lotion one for my skin after I get out of the shower. Then I got the cream for my face. And I noticed that the Nivea cream definitely helps my face, especially in the wintertime when it comes to like the dry patches and stuff. So basically the only thing that I didn't have that was the same as my other routine was the tea tree oil soap, but I'm gonna get some more of that so we don't gotta worry. But yeah, I would have just used the tea tree oil soap after I used the regular non-scented soap with my spin brush. And yeah, because tea tree oil definitely helps with like the blemishes and stuff like that. But that is my skincare slash morning routine. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you guys drink water and mind your business today. If nobody told you, you're beautiful. I just wanted to come into the living room so I could come into the light so that y'all could see how this skin is moisturized and bussin'.